Hello, good morning. Today I have a new lesson that I want to show you guys how powerful Node-RED is. So basically, I have done the complete installation of my RGB strip on my stairs. So I have playing around with the remote control that I have just created using the ESP8265, and it was fun. I can now control my RGB lead strip using my home automation has IO, using the 24 buttons which is available on the remote control. But we will not stop doing that. We will be going further into the next level. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm going to automate the light of the lead strip according to in hourly basis. So in hourly basis, we will try to make it like any random color that will coming out every 30 minutes, 1 hour, or whatever. So that is our objective, to create a randomized color of the lead strip using Node-RED. Okay. Okay, let's go to Node-RED, and we will go to the flows, to the flow number 2. This is the one responsible for my IR, and we're gonna add it in the um, below one. So what I'm going to do, I need to create an injector, and because I want to do the random color selection on a periodic interval, I'm going to select here interval. Okay, I'm going to select the second one, which is the interval, and I'm gonna do it like okay, just for testing purposes, we'll be doing it like every 30 seconds, but we can also change it in hourly basis. Okay, so okay, this is my timestamp, and let's try. So my timestamp, I can call it my IR RGB randomizer trigger. And what he gonna do is I can basically send anything, but I can also send string. It doesn't matter, right? So I can put a word randomize now. Okay. Okay, let's see what these things will do. We connect the two, and let's see how this randomizer do to our automation. So okay, no, that's different, that's from my okay, inject, randomize now. I should be expecting it to repeat every 30 seconds. Oh my god. Okay. That's okay. So inject, repeat, inject once. No, I will do it repeat, interval 30 seconds. Okay. Or let's make it shorter, every 2 seconds. Okay. Like 29. No. Okay, because I just injected it manually. It should come out on the next cycle at 8:29:39, and it should be around, yeah, came out okay, so that should be fine. So my injector is working good. But the next thing I'm gonna do is let's create a function. So this function is my RGB random color processor. Okay, so I have like how many colors? If we go to my home assistant, no, this is my lead strip. So I have like 24, but actually it's only 4, 12, 12 color. So I'm going to randomize on 12 color. Okay, so I have my message, and I'm going to, instead of writing into it, I will randomize that I'm activating the button. That's one way. Or I can play around with the IR raw images, but in that case I need to decode all the raw data, and that will be taking a lot of time. So the best thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play around by automating the command for each button. Like I have how many button we got? 12 button. But first I need to create a random number. Okay. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we create a function that will randomize. Okay. So bar and color ID is equal to math that floor. So we have 12. We have 12. We have 12 color, so I'm gonna put 12. So that means I'm going to select a number from 1 to 12, and let's try. So my message will be sending that payload equal to random color ID, and let's try. So we're gonna connect it over here. I'm gonna make it 2 seconds so that it will be faster, and I'm gonna change it later on. Okay, a review. So this function will do a randomization between 1 to 12 using the math.floor. Deploy it. Okay, let's see. 9, 6, 0, 8, 3, 11. Okay, I think that's good. And okay, so next we already generated the random number. We need to get all I need to get the state. So I need to generate the state as an array object. So bar button state or the set. So that means I'm sending the command. No, state should be fine because I'm not using the Home Assistant to can go directly to the state. I'm going to create an array. The first one be that one, and okay, I'll copy my array. I don't want to create again, so I'm going to copy all this entity and it over here, but in my case I only need a few buttons. I need to get my remote control to see what are the number of those colors and map it on my function. Okay, so I have here my picture. So actually my color started on button number 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6. So that should be 4, 5, 6, 4, 5, 6, 8. No. 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, that should be 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 21, 22, 23. Oh, actually it's 15. So I have now 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 15. So I have 15 color that I want to randomize, and I have the array now, which is this 15, and basically I can just create a for loop for var I 0, because my array started on 0, I lesser than 14, no, lesser than equal to 14, and then my plus plus, and my state will be this one, and I'm making it my index, which is equivalent to my entity state. I need to declare my state as an array first with a blank content, and you will define after this one. So that should be okay. I have defined my entity for 14 colors. I created a state for that using the for loop, and I'm good to go. So okay, so I have the lazy method to do this by putting all my 14 IR button as the output of my function, or I make like a multiplexer where it will only come out with one output at a time. But the problem, my MQTT is defined according to the topic that I have put it here, and each button have its own individual topic. So it can be done, but there will be a lot of processing, and I don't want to do that. I just want to make it simple. So what I'm gonna do, I also need to create 15 output, which is corresponding to my color, and I need to copy. We have 5 6 7, so I need to copy 5 6 7, 5 6 7, copy over, and then I want to put it over here, and okay, I put my message over here. That should be 5 6 7, and then 5 6 7 9 10 11 9 10 11, sorry, 9 10 11, copy over here, make it higher, save some space. Over here, right, 19 11 13 14 15, 13 14 15, 13 14 15. Seventeen, 18, 19, 17, 18, 19, let's arrange to save more space. 19, 19, and the last one is 21 to 23. 21, 22, 23. No, I need a set. Sorry. 21, 22, 23. Okay, so I want to see the message for each output. Basically, I can tie them up over here. I can see which output is activated. looks nice now. And the next thing that I'm gonna do, because I have a randomized color over here, so for I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna transfer it over here. If I'm gonna use the if. No, I don't need to generate all these things. That's stupid. Okay. If random color ID is equal to no, this is stupid one. Okay, sorry guys, we don't need to do this. I'm going to delete that. I don't need this state topic because I don't need to do the configuration of my MQTT. I just want to send the output evenly on my 14 light, but I need to identify which output that I need to send, and I'm gonna null the output that I don't want to have it activated. So what I'm really gonna do is I should have my variable as output equal to like that, and then I'm gonna make like 0 as null. I'm gonna define a default value of null. Okay, so I don't need the loop. I just need to send out with that random color ID. I put some value. What is the value for my state is set since this is a switch, it should be on off only. Let's try 4 4 4. Okay, it's just a switch. Okay, so I'm gonna send on for that random color. Every time he initiate this one, he initialize all the output to null, and then that specific button will be having a value of on using this random color ID, and he gonna send it as a payload of my message. And okay, so I need to have my Okay, this is where I'm gonna put my loop, and I lesser than equal to 14 I plus plus, and my out message, will be I equal to this format payload, and then that should be my out I, and then so I have like 15 output, so I'm gonna arrange it. I'm gonna output 15, so that will be my 0, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's make it a little bit nicer to the eye. It's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, that's it. So I have sent why there's an error. Line 28. Wait, okay. Sorry, I need that. Right, I have my array as an output, and I define all of them null in the beginning, and then I just give a specific message on the output that I want to activate using the format. I should be fine. Okay. Hit deploy. Up, 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 up. Let's try. What's going on? See the color. Okay, my camera is too slow, so I need to change my timing for longer, 30 seconds. Deploy, undefined, 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 and okay. So okay, wait. I'll be using my cell phone as a webcam. Okay, I have added my camera, and if you look at that, color should be changing every 30 seconds. So right now, see, turn yellow, and he's sending that data. And then on the next 30 seconds, it should change to another color. Let's wait this trigger to activate. Sa mga kapit namang. Okay, see? He give a random color. On the next cycle, let's see what will be the next color. Be patient, be patient. 30 seconds. Right. You like color yellow. I want to wait for my favorite color. Next 30 seconds, mang. Then we are done. One more time. I don't like the yellow color. Good. And that's purple. And that should be 60 color, but it's still not my favorite color. That should be fine. One more time. One more time. One more color. Let's clear the message so you can see it is coming. Ah, finally my favorite color come out. Done. Thank you, man. So finally my favorite color came out. So that's enough. I mean, that's more than enough um, for the test. We have shown that we can randomly select the color using the randomizer, and we are giving it to the 15 color that we have on our remote, and we randomly select color using the mat.floor and mat.random. Actually, I have a mistake here. This should be 15 or no 15, because we have 15, and it should be only like that. Okay, sorry folks, but that should be fine. So I'm gonna make it final because this will be running as my part of my normal automation in my house. So I'm gonna select every hour. He gonna change the color every hour, so I can see different color every hour on my stair if it is on. And deploy it. So I have two automatic automation in my house, and this is my motion detection for my camera, and I actually deploy it. It will only activate when the hour is greater than 17. That means it's 5 p.m. on my time, and less than 6, which is 5 to 6 a.m. So basically when during nighttime, or in our place is dark, uh, we have a dark time, then this automation will activate, and it's automatically working now for many days, and it do good for me. Okay, that's all, and I just want to show everyone how powerful this Node-RED and what it can do to your home automation. Thank you. Bye bye.